All right, Beach Bums, I am going to be filming a room tour, a cabin tour of room 7264. This is a suite. My friends, the carriers, are staying in the suite. They're very nice to allow me to film in here. So I'll be right back and I'll show you a tour. All right, here we go. So again, room 7264, and go ahead and step inside. It's really nice. It's a pretty good sized suite here. I'll just do a kind of a quick glimpse, let you kind of see some of my friends out there on the balcony, and got the couch and in that area. So I'll go in towards the front and we'll walk back out this way. All right, so the entrance is this way. So you got the main door, then you'll come in. So this is pretty standard. You have your thermostat here. You got your light switch and all that stuff over here. So I'm gonna come back. So then now my back is to the door. Walking in, you have your couch over here with a little storage cabinet, some little wall sconces. And so you got some storage down here. It's pretty decent. And this looks like one of those, one of those couches that turn into a bed. So they have a friend staying in here and he's gonna sleep on that. And another one here, another storage. So pretty good, again, pretty good storages. Got the light switch option here. Oh, they don't have the room key in the thing, so lights aren't gonna work. And then you got the little coffee table, chair. Then you got the king size bed. And on this side here, I'm looking to see if they have any USB. Of course, none of the lights are gonna work because of the, trying to see if they have any USB by the beds. For a suite, you would think, right? But, and some more storage here. Got the closet, full length. See if I can go in here and see. It's dark. And then you got the little dresser right over here. So 4. So they're not super deep. And so yeah, 4 total. And I wonder if this part looks like where the fridge is. Yep. So you got the fridge over here. Pretty good. Ouch! I just closed out my finger. TV. Oh yeah, I guess no USBs. So for those that always ask me, were there USBs? Nope, not in this one. Doesn't look like. At least not by the beds. That's usually the common question. And you got just the regular light switch over there. So yeah, the USB ports here. But you got the extra USBs because you got the USBs here and 2 more USBs here, and then the 120 volt. And this like a little area. Hello. Area where you can sit. Ooh, more. So 2 more 120s, 220 over here. So more areas. Lots more storage. There's your hair dryer. And yep. Again, not bad. Pretty good depth. Another little drawer here. So definitely lots and lots of storage. Got your safe, more hanging space over here, place to put your luggage down here. I know it's really hard. It's kind of, I mean, it's good size, but it's kind of like choppy. I don't know. It's hard to say. It's hard for filming purposes. It's really hard to kind of give you a really good idea. And then the restroom, which looks like it's pretty. Oh yeah, big. Oh, holy smokes! Hold on, let me see. I can film this. And then you got the tub over here. But that's a big step up. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Let me try to, so that, put my leg up next to it. It's hard to tell, but that's a pretty big step up. So, sorry, I know my camera's going all over the place. But yeah, just the standard stuff here. And all the different little storages that you normally see. Little upgraded area, but yeah, just the bathroom is about the same. They just have a little bit more this space here Sorry guys, I know the camera's moving around a lot more. My GoPro's charging, so I'm doing this. Then of course you got the balcony. Everybody's out on the balcony, but I'll show it to you here. So you got the balcony where that looks like a chase lounge kind of lounger, and then the one chair there, another chair there. So there you go. All right guys. Sorry, I know that was kind of a, I don't want to impose on them. It was really nice, but there you go. So that is sweet. Talk to y'all later.